All right, guys, we're gonna bake today. What are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yes. Watch this video to the end to get a secret on how to make the best cookies every time. These cookies are inspired by the famous Levain bakery in New York City. These cookies are rich, thick, gooey in the middle, and I doubled the batch so you'll get 8 to 12 extra large cookies. Let's get into it. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of cold butter, cut into cubes. Cream everything together for about 4 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Using cold butter is what gives these cookies that signature thick, fudgy texture. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 410 degrees. Now add all your dry ingredients. 1 cup of dark baking cocoa, 2 cups of cake flour, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until everything is fully combined. And remember, the best part of baking is cleaning off those beaters and getting all that chocolate off, so make sure you share that with all your helpers. Fold in 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. The dough is thick, dark, and loaded with chocolate. Exactly what we want. Now it's time to divide the dough into large balls. I like to weigh 4½ ounce balls each if you're using a scale. Once these are rolled out, make sure you chill them in the fridge for 15 minutes before you put them in the oven. Bake at 410 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes, until the tops are just set. They should look slightly underbaked in the middle. That's how we get that gooey center. So earlier in the video, I told you I was going to tell you the secret. Here it is. So the most important thing to making the best cookies is using the best ingredients you can find. So we always bake with Valrhona chocolate and Kerrygold butter. And these 2 ingredients are not the cheapest thing in the world, but they're just way better than anything else you can buy in the market. We're not sponsored by either of these brands, but they're so good that we bake with them all the time. And honestly, if you're gonna eat something like cookies or cake, you want it to be the best it could possibly be, so you should be using the best ingredients you can find. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.